Good morning. I did it, y'all. I finally got a full night's sleep. Thank you. Literally, the mouth tape and the nasal strips. So not only did I fall asleep and sleep amazing, my fiance snores horribly. Like, that's what keeps me up in the middle of the night, and he didn't snore. And it's so peaceful. Like, I never knew this could be my life. Also, if you wake up with that dry cotton mouth feeling every morning, this prevents that. No more. Literally, do yourself a favor, try the mouth tape. If you don't do anything, try the mouth tape. If your partner snores, if you snore, get the mouth tape.